So, good evening, everyone. My name is Zabeen Parveen. Today, we are present and act on a very serious issue: vote theft. So, democracy is also give a power to the people, but when vote is stolen, then power is snatched away. Through this act, we will show you how vote stealing happens and why it is danger to our nation's future. So let's get started.
Hello everyone, so my name is Jahan Sheikh. I am going to play a role of a reporter and my TV channel name is ABC News.
Hello, good evening everyone. My name is Mohammad Shad and today I am presenting Narendra Das Damodar Das Modi, Prime Minister of India.
Hello everyone, my name is Aman. Today I am going to play the role of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi. I will be the next Prime Minister of the India when the next election will be held.
We are here to play our biggest act about the vote thief and here is a citizen of our India and they want to share their thoughts about the vote chori and we are going to investigate about the matter and we are talking to him. Hello sir, what's your name?
My name is Jasim.
So as we all know today is voting election, so did you go to the voting?
जस्ट मैं वोट देने गया था पर मुझे वोट देने नहीं दिया गया। मुझे बोला गया कि मेरा वोट दिया जा चुका है पर मैंने अभी तक कोई वोट दिया ही नहीं। मुझे वोट नहीं दिया गया, नहीं दिया जा गया।
So we can see that as our citizen of our India is saying that he has not pulling the booth of the vote, but still his vote has been cast. But how can this is possible? He was busy at the work and when he came to the polling booth, after that he knows. सही है ना मैम? He got to know his vote has already been casted. So this is the biggest problem of our India. Like he has the rights of the voting. Like we can choose our prime minister for the voting, and our vote are already stolen by the peoples. So we can talk to the Rahul Gandhi. Rahul Gandhi has made the allegations to the Prime Minister Modi, Narendra Modi. So he has been said this is done by the Narendra Modi. So we are going to talk to the Rahul Gandhi. So we are going to talk to the Rahul Gandhi. So hello sir.
Hello.
Sir, my name is Jahan Sheikh. I am a reporter and I want to collect the data of behalf of the vote theft. So would you like to tell something about the vote theft?
Friends, today I want to speak the truth which shake the foundation of our democracy. In India, every citizen has right to vote and choose their leader. But what happened in our India right now? The right is being stolen. The machine were misused, the system was manipulated, and the votes are being stolen. The voices of the people were silenced. This country does not belong to the one person or a leader or a party, but this country belongs to us, all of us. If a vote is being stolen, our rights are being stolen. So I will fight for every vote that is being stolen. I will expose the truth. I will voice out the truth, and I will also expose the vote theft, as you said. I want to ask some question to our Honorable Prime Minister Narendra Modi ji. So I would like to talk him.
So we are going to talk to the Narendra Modi ji. So let's start with Narendra Modi ji.
Yes. So Rahul ji, you are said that vote thieving are going in our country right now. So these all arrogance are wrong. And firstly, I am the leader of the BJP party, and I don't know what about going on. I know what is going on in our country, vote thieving, but I am not included because people choosing me again and again and again. The third time I become the Prime Minister of India, as you all know. So, and the all arrogance are false, and you are saying that you are stand for all the Indian peoples, and I am also an Indian people. I am the third person of India. So I am also stand with those who choose me to become Prime Minister. So the all elegance are wrong, and the main thing, the education, the election department was
As you are the Prime Minister of our India, Just if you want some proof, just go through the data which I have collected myself. And second, just give me the ED for 24 hours. I will investigate and look it in this matter myself and expose the truth in front of people. Also, just visit our India one time and ask people. Many people haven't voted, but still their vote is casted in voter list. How is this possible? Just Modi ji, can you give me my answer of this question?
Yes, of course, Rahul ji, I can give you because you also voted me to sit their seat. So I want to give your answers. So you are telling I'm go through and see the data. So you know data was made wrong information also sometimes, because all data are not right. All data is not right for every time, for any time, and imposing allegations are easy to me, but you have to sit in this chair and see how much responsibilities I have work 18 hours a day. I just sleep 5 hours. I take 5 hours of sleep in a day, in a single day. So this is so much big responsibility, and I am sitting on this chair was chosen by 100 crore Indians, not a single person. And you are saying like too much people are go to the election to ED to bury their vote, to vote, but their vote are already given by someone and anyone. So this is not my problem. Yes, I want to find what is going on. I will talk to the ED. I will talk to the president, because I am prime minister. People was choosing me. So this is my right to help themselves. And there are too much you know about the EVM machine. So there were too much problem in EVM machine. So we have to firstly you have to know about the EVM machine, and after you get allegations on me, and all time not all data are wrong, are right. All data are right, and you are saying you want to go deeply. So if you want to go deeply, go deep. But I am stand on my words.
So as are you saying, EVMs sometimes misleads. So I want to ask you, as you are the Prime Minister of India, is your responsibility that you check the EVM machine by yourself? Haven't you checked one time? And the second thing I want to point out is that also you are saying that 100 crore people have you chosen you, but there are many people whose voice are just buried, and the questions in the parliament are not given, are not answered. So why are you saying that people have chosen you? There are many people who are saying we haven't voted to the Modi ji, but still he become the Prime Minister of our India. How is this possible?
So you are saying too much people are don't choosing me, but I become a prime minister. So since 2014 I become a prime minister. In 2019 to again voting, again I become a prime minister. And now it's past year 2025 24 at 20. So in 2024 people also again choose me, and I am also become a prime minister. And you are saying I don't check the EVM. I check the EVM by myself. I check the machines. And why are you not saying in those areas you are win? You was become in the top list. So why are you not saying that there was people was not choosing me? Why always you are giving me that I am wrong? There are too much areas. Yes, you win. Like Congress win. Congress team means किसी लड़का कौन सा था and too much Aam Aadmi parties was win. So why are you not checking those areas EVM machine? There are also EVM machine are wrong. So only you are imposing all wrong allegations to me. Why are you not firstly you have to see in yourself, see in your areas you are win, and you are become in the top list on their area. So why are you not imposing their areas? Only why I am.
Firstly, Modi ji, I want to say that you are saying why I'm not imposing on you these allegations. These allegations are done by the people. People are calling you out as a vote chore. You are the Honorable Prime Minister of India. Do you know what is vote chore has left the imprint on your character? Okay. Also, I want to ask you. You have said that you are winning the election from 2014 of the Prime Minister. So, what have you done from then? I want to ask you. What development have you done in our India in the last 10 years or 11 years? I want to ask you that question.
So Rahul ji, you are saying that people calls me chore. So I am not answering. I am answering my my mitro. My mitro. So I am the only a person who are handling, who are understanding the situation of India. I am controlling the GDP. I am controlling the education system. I am controlling the health system. I am controlling all the biggest problems of India's. If and I am going all over countries and meet their prime minister, meet their presidents, to become and to be a relationship, to a big good relationship with them. If some time was in any type of any type of case, any type of war was come if World War III was begin, so there are too much countries with India, there are too much, if India was become in a too much big situation, big wrong situation, so like Russia, like America, their big countries was help us, like.
So Modi ji, first of all, today I have came here only to get answer of my one question about vote chori. I am not come here to know about your experiences wandering around the countries. I am not here to listening the relationships which you are building with the people of other country. You are not seeing the problems in our country, so that's a different matter. I only want my answers on vote chori. Come to me with your points and cut my points. Also prove yourself that you are not a vote chore. Okay?
So Rahulji, your answer, your point is good, but now I'm not able to give your answer because time is over. My meeting is holding on Parliament about the taxes. So I want to go, and I also want to meet with the ED, election department, for your case, vote chori. So we will talk tomorrow about this point. Thank you.
So, hello sir, I want to ask many questions to you.
Just ready my chopper.
So as we can see that Modi ji was ignoring me, and the small conversation has been done by Rahul Gandhi between